Easylifexo is marketed as an online store offering a wide range of products at heavily discounted prices. The website creates the impression of a convenient place to find great deals, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every new online retailer is automatically fake. Some legitimate stores simply haven't built a long track record or a large customer base yet. What it does well: wide product selection. The store offers products across multiple categories. Professional-looking website. A modern e-commerce design makes browsing quick and convenient, where the concerns start appearing. A polished website doesn't guarantee trust. This is the biggest issue. A professional-looking storefront is not proof of reliable products or customer service. Deep discounts can create artificial urgency. Constant sales may encourage impulse purchases. Product photos may not match the actual item. Marketing images don't always reflect what customers receive. So, should you buy from Easylifexo? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label the store as fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on attractive prices or website design. Check independent customer reviews and use a buyer-protected payment method before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.